Is your external component the Xpstar Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Microsoft SQL Server Application links. To kick off the Xpstar Library Guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Xpstar Library, a legacy SQL Server extended stored procedure library. It provides unmanaged routines for specialized database tasks, facilitating the data link between the server and localized DB manifests. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This issue is commonly caused by Microsoft SQL Server Application installation being broken. Reinstall the latest version of Microsoft SQL Server Application from the official website to replace Xpstar Library DLL and related files. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Xpstar library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt_r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Xpstar Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for Xpstar Library. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Xpstar Library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.